Hair idioms. Britlish.com. The hair of the dog.
If you have drunk too much alcohol the previous evening, and drink alcohol in the morning to make you feel better, this is the hair of the dog.
I knew I had a drink problem when I considered the hair of the dog.
Note, this comes from the old belief that if you were bitten by a rabid dog, you could cure yourself by eating some of the hair of the dog that bit you. In the crosshairs. If something or somebody is in the crosshairs, it or they are open to criticism or attack. His forthright views often put him in the crosshairs of many fellow politicians. Note, the telescopic sights on a rifle have crosshairs to aim with, and anything in the crosshairs is in danger of being shot. Keep your hair on.
When you tell someone to keep their hair on, you are telling them to calm down.
Keep your hair on.
It's not a big deal. Make your hair stand on end. Something that makes your hair stand on end is very frightening.
The mere thought of bumping into my ex-wife again makes my hair stand on end. Splitting hairs. Splitting hairs is arguing about something inconsequential or trivial. If you try to tell me it only cost $59.95, and not $60, I'd say you were just splitting hairs.
Tear your hair out.
When you are extremely infuriated and feel helpless, you are tearing your hair out. They promised to deliver it at 3, but it's already 6 and there's been no sign of them.
I'm tearing my hair out. Wearing a hair shirt.
If you deliberately do something to make your life uncomfortable when it could be otherwise, you're wearing a hair shirt.
I already said I'm sorry, so I'm not going to wear a hair shirt over it. Put hair on your chest.
To tell a man to do something or consume something in order to invigorate them is to tell them that it will put hair on their chest.
Have a shot of this whiskey. It'll put hair on your chest. A hair's breadth. A hair's breadth is a very small measure of distance, or amount. I was on my bicycle this morning when a car missed me by a hair's breadth. Have someone by the short and curlies.
If you have someone by the short and curlies, you have them completely at your mercy. The strikers have got the management by the short and curlies.
Note, the short and curlies refers to the pubic hair. To not have a hair out of place.
If somebody appears to be very neat and tidy, we say they don't have a hair out of place. She takes hours to get ready to go anywhere because she doesn't want to be seen with a hair out of place.
Let your hair down. To let your hair down is to relax and enjoy yourself. His mother would be much happier if she let her hair down now and then. Neither hide nor hair. When you have seen nothing of something or somebody, you have seen neither hide nor hair of it or them. I have seen neither hide nor hair of them since they got back from holiday. Not turn a hair. When you stay calm, and do not become upset or excited in a difficult situation, you don't turn a hair.
The propeller fell off his plane, but he didn't turn a hair and simply glided back to the airport. Will give you grey hairs. Something which is very stressful will give you grey hairs. Try teaching a classroom full of Spanish teenagers.
That'll give you grey hair. A hair-raising experience. A hair-raising experience is one which terrifies you. My brother drives at hair-raising speeds. A bad hair day. If you're having a bad hair day, everything is going wrong for you.
First, I missed the train, then I'm late for the meeting, so, yes, you could say I was having a bad hair day.